Aloha, everybody. Today I'm gonna finish this door. So the shower is gonna get mounted to this door, and I'm gonna have the window covered. So I'm gonna put a piece of fabric against the window, and I'm gonna mount that onto a piece of cardboard. In the past, I mounted it to a piece of like 1-inch styrofoam board. That gave me some insulation, but Home Depot out here doesn't carry 1-inch insulation styrofoam board, so just gonna use cardboard, and then I'll put insulation against that and then panel over it. Before I do that, I'm gonna mount a piece of 2x4 in here so that I can mount the shower to it, and then this is gonna get all insulated, paneled, and I may build this out as a little cubby for soaps and things, but it's a lot more work than what it's worth. I might just buy something from Home Depot that's has 2 shelves, like a wire shelving unit that you'd normally see in a shower. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's just an easier way to do it. Building these things out are kind of a pain in the ass. So anyway, I'm gonna put this on time-lapse photography. Or a time-lapse movie. I don't think you want to watch me spend the entire, it'll take the entire day just to do this. So, and I've done it several times before, so hopefully it goes a little quicker this time than it has last time. But I kind of have a goal for each day, like what do I want to get done. And today my goal is this. If I get it done, I may move on to something else. If I don't get it done, I'll finish it tomorrow. So, all right, here we go. There we go. Okay, so we have it done, insulated. If my GoPro actually worked like it's supposed to, I could have done a time lapse on it, but my GoPro is not working very well. So anyway, I got the shower installed. This will be turning the water on. Shower water will come out. Furnace will turn on. I still need to hook up down here. I got the PEX tubing coming up from the pump. This will just insert right on the PEX tubing. This will be my propane. I'll make a little section here for that. I'm still waiting for the pump for the tank. So when I get that, I'll plumb the pump, all the wiring for the pump, a switch for the pump, and then cut the PEX tubing and everything to the right length, and just do all that at one time. So, but this door is done. It's insulated. Got a little crack here because I was trying to like get this thing to go right against the door, and it cracked. So I put a little caulk in there, and then I'll throw some paint on it. It'll cover it up. And then you can't see through. I put that fabric on that cardboard, and it just completely blacks out the window. So there you have it. One door done. And I think tomorrow I'll probably do this door, and I'll have to cut in a notch for the for the lock, so we can undo that. And then I've also got power lock here, so we'll have to put a little thing in for that, and maybe get the speaker hole a little bit better. This one I completely fucked it up. It's slightly to the left, so I don't know how that worked. I lost my glasses, so that's my excuse. I couldn't see. Still looking for my glasses. All right, well, that ends it today. So that was my goal for the day, was to get this door done, and it's done. I'm stoked. All right. Aloha. Yeah.